Your phone is a prison. Here's how to escape. First, turn off all notifications except calls and texts. Yes, all of them. Second, delete every app you haven't used in 30 days. What if I need it? You won't. You never did. Third, no phones in the bedroom? Charge it somewhere else. Get an alarm clock. Fourth, schedule email times, twice a day maximum. Stop living in your inbox. Fifth, create digital free zones. Dinner table. First hour awake. Last hour before bed. Do these 5 things and watch your life transform. More focus, less anxiety, actual freedom.